Hey you, I am Amber. I'm the owner and founder of Brown Bee, and I created this class for people like you, artists who are amazing at what they do, brilliant creators, but who really need some help kind of finding the right mapping method to get the perfect brows every time. I think from talking to pretty much any artist, I know me personally, the mapping process and getting the brows to be even and beautiful for each individual person's face is probably the most stressful of the whole thing. So for me, it took me a little while to come up with a method that worked, but I've been able to teach this to all of my employees and all of our students who have taken our classes, and it is truly a no-fail mapping method. So in this course, you're gonna learn all about mapping different shape faces, different scenarios that might come up, how to redesign someone's shape to completely give them a new look, the most commonly seen pore brows and how to fix them, and then really our most important technique, which is our string mapping method and the use of calipers and pencil to come up with the perfect shape that is 100% even every single time. So I am looking forward to teaching you. Go ahead and join the class and we will get started.